What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. Another down day. ES 71 is your low. We're at 77 now. Kind of perking back up here. We'll see. We have a futures gap from 11 to 04, so we'll see if that gets filled. I don't know if that gets filled today or another day. I don't know, man. This is tough to judge right now. Again, my level here has been this 55 to 35 level, and we're fairly close to it. We're well under the 200 at 63. So, I don't know if we come back, if we get above 15, we could start itching back up here, maybe into the 40s. 42.50 would really be my next target, and then 42.63, which is the 200, and then 42.70. Down below, if we keep going, again, I would assume we're going to stop here. If not, that opens the door down to these levels after this gap here. You do have this one at 40.77, which is an old level, so that would probably be something I would watch. I don't know, if we break this, what happens? We're entering areas that we haven't traded since April, so again, there was a ton of volume in here. So my guess is we hit here and then bounce off. Or we rally today and that was it. Maybe we considered a double bottom there at 71. So I don't know. We have GDP coming up. We'll see if that transpires or anything happens. Let's take a look at the euro. Euro parked at the 50 and came screaming back down. That's lower today by 312 points. So we'll see if that continues down. And we lose that 05 level, and I think it's game on for the downside. We left a big cash gap yesterday at 32 to 47. So that's another target. I actually would like that target for today. So 32 or 47. Sometimes they'll park it right before it and come back down, or sometimes they fill it. So one of those two I think is pretty good, and then 38 or 200. But that's still a significant move considering we're down 30 points. Dow's down 133 and NASDAQ's down 148. So I don't know. I have no idea what GDP does. I would assume that at some point we're going to find a base and rally, but this selling has been continuous and fairly aggressive. So I don't know if I'm going to stand in front of that, or if I'm just going to continue to, find opportunities just to sell. I don't like being long in this environment. So if we do rip up and fill this cash gap at, 11, I think that I would think about probably selling there. I don't know. I really don't. I might just sit back and watch today. We'll see what happens and how this all pans out. But I would assume my inclination would be buyers show up. But again, I don't know. So stay frosty. If you see it, take it. Remember, not trading is a trade, and there might be something this might be a day I just sit on my hands and watch. Anyway, stay safe. I'll be in the room.